Hi, everyone, and welcome back to Micro Investor, where we do techno analysis and price predictions on many different cryptocurrencies every single day. Now, in this video, we are going to be talking about Cardano, which Cardano is working its way to try to get back up to the 786 Fibonacci level. That's at a price of around 44 cents. And currently there is a bit of a resistance that we can see. Now, we were within a downtrend as we did have a 5-wave impulse to the downside. And what we're seeing now is we did break away from that trend. And hopefully this breakaway from the trend is going to be what is going to be leading us through these next Fibonacci levels, and hopefully a 5-wave impulse to the upside. So that's what we're really going to be watching right now. And I'm thinking that as we do break into a wave one, that more than likely we might even be seeing this take us all the way up within this top Fibonacci level. A lot of things to really pay attention to, because the price of Cardano had come down so low within this wave 5, or you can even call it a WXY type pattern that had just gone through. And this fifth wave that we just came down the downside was very close to being around where our 52-week low was. So it was very close within that range. So we're kind of just now starting over again from that low point, and hopefully this is that upside that we're looking forward to, that can just go back and retrace where we were at in mid-August, where we had gone up from that low point in mid-July in 5 waves. And then the price of ADA had gone up to around 60 cents. So it went from a price of around 40 cents to 60 cents in a matter of a month. Hopefully that's going to be the same case and what we're going to be seeing now within a new series of waves. So at the moment, how everything is going with ADA, as we've broken out of this trend, we have the normal scenario playing out. Now we're on the 1-hour chart, so we have a wave, a B wave, possibly if this is going to be that B wave, and then we're coming up within that C wave, and this will be our breakout wave through the through this Fibonacci level, and hopefully this can take us up a bit more. So I'm thinking that we're going to go up in a 5-wave impulse to the upside, and I'm expecting this to hopefully be pretty quick, since the month of October is more of a bullish month for crypto. If this plays out right, we can probably see a quick retracement, just like we did within the first set of 5 waves to the upside. So if this is going to be the same scenario, I'm expecting that we could probably even do this in less than 30 days like we did last time. Now, seeing how the price of ADA had come down significantly from where it was at when it reached its highs back in September of 2021, I'm thinking that we might be able to see a pretty good rally with ADA if we do have a very bullish turnaround here within the crypto market. I mean, there's still things that are going to be up in the air. The Fed could still say things that are going to change the outlook here, but there might be more retracement than maybe a lot of people are going to give ADA credit for. And one key thing that I think is a possibility is this $1 price here, because you can see how this was a very high level of support that ADA did have, and you can see how the price had managed to actually maintain this $1 price for many different price moves that it had. And then after it had started to really lose this support of the $1, it eventually did really just fall through. So I think that as we approach like the 75-cent price, which was another area that ADA fell to support before it fell even more, I think between 75 cents and $1, there might be a really good possibility to see this happen. So as we work to retrace a lot of these losses, I mean, especially how the price of Cardano had come down significantly through the months of May and June, and then the months of July and August and September were just months of it really trying to figure out its place. How is it going to correct from all that? Now looking at things, if we are going to start retracing that and start retracing those losses with ADA, then let's just use a simple larger ABC correction here, and this could really play out something that there could be a very large impulse to come up, go into a correction, and then we have another wave that is just going to be a larger breakout wave. And I mean, we're looking at prices that are going into possibly 2023, but this could be a scenario. Now, of course, we'll have different wave series within this, but I think that we're going to see ADA start retracing these losses much faster then people probably want to give it credit for. And I'm saying this because when we had seen ADA come from its all-time high, we were watching it come from the Alonzo hard forking at that time. And that was when the smart contract capabilities became available on Cardano. And then we saw a lot of selling off happen after that. And then we got into the Vassal hard fork just recently, and that's been successful. And we didn't see any sort of major price movements within ADA because of the market in general has just been down. So I think due to the fact that we have these catalysts that we've gotten, but the market and the fear in the market had been making it incapable of having those breakouts that we were really anticipating happening, I think that we'll start getting that as we see the market shift. And that's why I think it's going to be much faster than people are probably willing to give it credit for. And that's what I'm thinking. So anyways, that's where I'm at right now. That's what I think we're going to be seeing. So it'll probably be a couple of days until I do talk about Cardano again, unless we see some sort of a larger price movements or prices to the downside. But do expect to see me talk about this again here soon. So please like, share, comment, subscribe. As you know, I talk about many different cryptocurrencies every single day. So I'll just see you guys in the next video coming very soon.